Hey there, this is Jen McCown from Minionware, and today's topic is, what is Minion Enterprise? Minion Enterprise, or as we say, ME, is an enterprise management system. So here's the idea. SQL Server is simple enough to manage and administer if you only have one instance. If instead you have 10 instances, or 100 or more instances, SQL becomes impossible to manage properly. Minion Enterprise lets you see all of your servers as if they were just one server. ME is a program you install on its own server. We don't install any agents or any objects at all on any of the managed servers. Minion Enterprise collects metadata from the other servers and stores that metadata in a local SQL Server instance. It does not speak to us or to anything out on the internet at all. Using that collected metadata, it alerts the data team on important events and conditions. For example, if a drive is low on free space, or a new database appears, or an existing database is dropped, when a weak password is detected, and so on and so on. And because Minion stores all the metadata in a SQL Server database, the data team can query that data in any way they like: ad hoc, stored procedures, SSRS reports, programs, whatever they like. This gives the DBA an incredible force multiplier, so they can see problems before they happen, clear up technical debt, and have time to innovate. Minion is something new. It's not monitoring software, though it does have some monitoring elements like service down alerts. It's not backup and maintenance, though it will tell you when you're missing backups or maintenance. This is enterprise management. It's automation designed especially for big SQL shops. There's no good way to summarize everything you can do with the Minion Enterprise, just like there's no way to summarize what you can do with SQL Server. But here are a few real-life examples of what teams have done using Minion Enterprise. In the next video, we'll talk about some of the things you can do the first time you use Minion Enterprise.